Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick and easy tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to download your Minecraft world file from Apex Hosting. Whether you want a local backup or to transfer your world to another server, this guide has you covered. Let's dive in. Go to Apex Hosting site and click Panel. Next is click on the server on the top right corner. You need to stop your server. After you stop the server, press the FTP file access, press Login. You'll see world names and find a world you want to download and click it. Now you need to zip it in order to download. Name to save a server, click back, and scroll down and find the server file you already named. Head over in the right and click Download. After downloading, go to your File Explorer. We need to unzip the file, drag it into your desktop and double-click the folder. Click the Extract All and then click Extract. Drag again it into your desktop. Go to Window and type Run. Type the %appdata% and press OK, and then open up the files and click the .minecraft. Then locate Save. Drag the file you unzip into the folder and that's it. You've successfully downloaded your Minecraft world from Apex Hosting. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more Minecraft tips and server tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.